going to have to be more diverse. And if that diversity is not there, then that means there is a problem that needs to be worked on. And part of that diversity is that our children will have various friends, and ultimately the inevitable consequence will be that there will be intermarriages. And there are many great communities where there are intermarriages, where there are people from all different ethnic groups and backgrounds, and, but in some communities it's not like that. So if we don't find that situation, I think it's a failing. So at some point we do want to start seeing a different racial or ethnic gene pool in our families, in our communities. As in the Sunnah, that's what you find. I mean, it's definitely something that should be there, and it was there classically, and sometimes it's not there. But at the same time, we don't want to force people. I mean, these are natural things when it comes to marriage. Naturally, people marry those they find an affinity with. So it's a tough one, and I know where you're coming from, and I agree with you. You know, I don't have the full answers, but yeah, there's going to be intermarriages, interracial marriages. We're going to have to start making that more acceptable for our own children. My generation, at least, it was very rare, and even coming from Pakistan and India, there's this caste system that's still very important in our marriages. Unfortunately, that's not very Islamic. Not just being from that country, it's also you have to be part of a certain caste, and we marry outside of that. And that happened in my own life. In my own example, you always see or hear comments from extended family members that whenever there's a problem, this is the reason you married outside of your specific caste. And so these are negative things, and we have to fight back against them. And I think in America, part of the good thing of being here is that these things are, for our new generation, secondary. And America truly is a melting pot to some extent that kind of wakes us up to this idea. But we have to internalize that in our communities. And, you know, if some of the older people here, you find it hard to think of your children marrying someone different. You have to get used to that idea. If you have the Muslim identity and the Ummah in the forefront, and the person they're marrying, they're Muslim, and that really is what their life is, then it shouldn't matter. But if everyone's proud of their ethnic, then these things become very difficult. But that's great now. It's a great reminder. Jazakallah khair.